friend's birthday today and I wanted to purchase some gifts, and for that I visited this AI chatbot WhatsApp chat. As you can see, I asked all the details and it suggested me the perfect birthday gift for my friend. I asked suggest gift for birthdays, it suggested me the gifts. I asked give details about flowers and chocolates, it gave me the details about the same, and if I asked budget is under 2k, it gave me the options under 2k. So as you can see, it is replying so accurately. How? Because there's a knowledge base which is attached in the backend of this AI chatbot. As you can see, the details which it offered are exactly the same which is mentioned right over here in this knowledge base. That's the reason this AI chatbot is answering so accurately. So in this video, I'll show you how you can also create this amazing AI chatbot for your own business. But in order to learn this, you have to watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow for free and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code is going to give you the maximum discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Remember, this is a limited deal, so if you want to purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow, use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan. And also, I'll just let you know that over here, I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Chatflow, and then if you like it, move on further, purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code. Alright, so now we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and let's see how to create this AI chatbot. For that, from the left hand of the side, go on this AI assistant of Pabbly Chatflow and click on this add AI assistant. Now I'm just going to name this AI chatbot as AI chatbot for Giftopia. So I'm just going to simply enter the brand name which is this Giftopia. So I'm just going to copy and paste it right over here. Now click on this add AI assistant. Now we've successfully added this AI assistant and a window something like this will appear in front of us. Before you create this AI chatbot, you have to make sure that you've added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If not, and if you want to learn how to do this, you can simply comment WhatsApp number and I'll share you a complete video tutorial on how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so now it is asking me to select the instructions type. So over here we have some examples. You can simply select one from the examples. The instructions will be added automatically. You can edit these if you want. Otherwise, if you want to enter a custom prompt, you can go on this custom prompt and enter your custom prompt over here. Give your company information and the rest of the details and you can build this AI instructions yourself. I'm just going to use one of the example which is AI agent. The instructions are added automatically. I don't have to do anything. Now it is asking me for the temperature. So over here we have to set how creative AI answers are going to be. So 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So when you're going to move this temperature towards 0, it is going to answer more focused, and if you move it towards 1, it is going to answer more creatively. I'm going to keep this as 0.6. I want a slightly more creative answers. That is asking to select the AI to use, so it's OpenAI. So I'm just going to choose the same. For the model, I'm just going to choose it as GPT 5.4. You can choose any another of your choice. That is asking for the API key. So over here we have multiple options to get the API key. The first option is you can kindly visit your OpenAI API key page. The link is given in the description over here, the help text. Now you just have to log in right over here. So let me just log in, and once we're just going to log it in right over here, going to see a window something like this will appear in front of you. Now what you have to do is to get this API key, you have to click on this create new API key button. I'm just going to let you know where. So first let's just wait for a few seconds, and now you have to click on this create new secret key button. You have to name your key, select the project and click on this create secret key button. Your key will be created, so just copy the key, click on this done and paste the key right over here in your workflow, and then click on this connect and your API key will be added inside Pabbly Chatflow. But you have to make sure that you are using a paid version, otherwise this is not going to run in real time. Okay, now it is asking for the AI assistant settings. So there are multiple settings. You can set up the header message, the footer message. You can also set up the stop keywords. Over here you can enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords, and in order to start and add the keywords, you have to type the keywords and then press enter to add the keywords. It is very important that you press enter, otherwise the keywords will not be added. Okay, so now let's just move in further. I'm just going to ignore these steps because these are not required. That is saying retry attempts. So over here you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts. If the AI assistant fails to respond, the valid range is between 1 to 10, and now we have this fallback message. So over here, when the API key is not responding, this message will be sent. So what you can do is you can simply enter your support email address in this message, so that if a user has some emergency, they can contact you on Gmail if their API key is not responding correctly. Now let's move towards this knowledge source, which is the backbone of this AI chatbot. I told you that the stronger the knowledge source, the stronger the AI chatbot is going to reply. Over here you're going to see the answers were so accurate because of this knowledge base. How can you create this knowledge base? You have to open a blank Google document, enter all the details of your business over here. Make sure to make this knowledge base a very strong one. Make sure to include the FAQs too. Apart from that, once you add this knowledge details over here in your base, you have to go on this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. Both are supported. I'll suggest you can go for TXT format, because for TXT we do not have any limit, but for PDF there's no limit for text PDFs. But if you go for PDFs which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So you have to choose a file right over here. So what you can do is you can go on this choose a file, add a new file, and then choose a file, and over here you can simply upload the file which you downloaded right now. So let's say I'm just going to upload this file, and then click on this upload file button, and once this file is uploaded in my media library, I can choose the file and click on this insert, and this knowledge source will be inserted. Over here I'm just going to receive the date ID and the vector ID, which is the proof of the successful uploading of this knowledge source. Now let's just move in further towards this AI interface. Over here you can change the display heading name, display subheading name, and the initial message. You have to type the initial message and then press enter to add it over here. You can also display the powered by Pabbly label. Whatever you're going to do on the left hand of the side, you're going to see the results on the right hand of the side too. Over here you can change the footer text, footer link, and also the user first message. So this user first message is very important, because what is going to happen is this message will be sent to WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. I'll just let you know how. So let me just keep it as hey right over here. And now let's move on further towards the styling. So here you can style your WhatsApp chatbot according to your own choice. You can change the theme, the shape, the colors, and the profile pictures too. And now whatever you're going to do on the left hand of the side, it is going to show on the right hand of the side too. Okay, so now with this, you have successfully created this AI chatbot. Now you have to switch on this toggle button and click on the save AI assistant button. Now this AI assistant is saved successfully. Now after creating this AI chatbot, how are we going to assign it towards our contacts? So for that you have two options. The first option is you can go this embedded, and you can simply copy the script and paste it on your website. This AI chatbot will be added on your website. Then whenever someone is going to visit your website, click on this chat with us button and then start chat button. They will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and this initial message which we selected will be sent from them towards you on WhatsApp. And yes, this is the reason this initial message was very important. Apart from that, what you can do is from the left hand of the side, go on this inbox section, and you can assign the AI assistant manually also. You can go on this chart. Let's say I want to assign it to this user, so I'm just going to open the same, go to choose AI assistant, switch on this toggle button and assign the AI assistant manually. If you want to assign the AI assistant to multiple contacts at once, from the left hand of the side, go on this settings, and then you have to go towards this inbox settings. Once you come on this inbox settings, what you have to do is you have to scroll, and you're going to see the option of this AI auto replies. Make sure to switch on this, select the contact list and the AI assistant who is going to reply to all the contacts in this list. Then click on this save, and now whenever any contact from this list is going to message you, this AI assistant is going to reply. If you want to learn about this contact list or AI chatbot in detail, just comment details, and I'm just going to share you the important links for the same. So go and try this amazing AI chatbot yourself. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And further, if you want, the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below, and right now it is going to get you the maximum discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. So do check it out. This is a limited time deal only. See you in the next video with many more automation tips. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.